Let's start our first program, printing Hello World. So open your Colab, choose a new notebook, type like this. Print is a function we have to use to print something on the screen. Print. Once you type print, you will get the IntelliSense like this. Here you can study what's the purpose of that particular function and what kind of parameters you can pass to the particular function. Don't get confused. We'll go simply. Okay. So print of something. I'm typing hello world and control enter will interpret the program. So we got the output hello world. Now whatever you type, it will be printed. Control enter to execute it. Hello Indian servers. First program. Next one is comments. If you're writing multiple lines of program, we cannot remember every purpose of each and every line sometimes. So to make it easier, and for documentation purpose, we have to add comments why we are writing so and so method or so and so library or so and so line, because a single programmer will not code whole program. At the time, for the next programmer, it will be easy to make him to understand the purpose of a specific line. For that, you can use comments. These comments will not be interpreted by the interpreter. This is comment. The same output will be there. You can make the comment in the same line also. Just use the character called hash. You can make this hash. This is another comment. If you want to write multiple lines of comments, you can use triple quotes dot 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 and multiple lines of comments. You type anything, just type it's finished. This is multiple line comments. Next, when it comes to doing some basic calculations, so we are going to take a simple variable a. If you don't know what is a variable, please see the introduction session of this particular module. We have discussed what is a variable, what is a class, what is an object, and all those things are discussed in the introduction of this particular module. So let us take a equal to some number, b equal to some other number. Let us do simple mathematical calculations. Arithmetic calculations. So print of a plus b. So I hope you guessed the output. Yes, output is right, what you have guessed. So print a star b. Here you should not use semicolon. Semicolon purpose is to tell to the compiler that it's end of the line. But semicolon is not required in Python. Semicolon is for C, C++, Java. Here semicolon doesn't require. Remove it. Print division. Print a minus b, subtraction. And here is output. Remember, Python is case sensitive language. That means capital letters are capital letters, small letters are small letters. If you use a equal to 30 and capital A equal to 50, if you print small a, only 30 value will be printed, but not 50. Same way for capital A. 50 will be printed but not 30 now. Indentation is the next thing what we have to remember while programming. We should not give unnecessary space before the line. It throws an error. For example, if I give space before this variable a, it is going to throw an error. You can notice here, it is indentation error. We are going to discuss about these indentations in loops module.